Hey everyone, welcome back to What the Health. I'm Darwin Moore, your host, and today we're going to have a really good show. We're going to dive into a topic that many pet owners are curious about, and that's essential oils and pets. Okay, can you use them safely? Are they effective for our furry friends? So we're going to talk about the benefits, the risks, and how to use essential oils safely around your pets. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more pet care tips. A little housekeeping first of all. I always talk about the audience guiding the channel. So I want you guys to guide the channel. So please feel free to leave comments below. Talk about your experiences with essential oils and kind of help grow this community. So I want you guys to provide me with ideas on shows and what have you, and we'll try to tackle it. Secondly, I want to give a shout out to our exclusive sponsor at this point in time, Cranwood Collection. They make some of the most beautiful smelling fragrances for men and women out there on the market. All natural, vegan friendly, gluten free. It's essential oil based perfumes and cologne. So they're going to give my audience a 20% discount on all their orders. So just use the code WTH20. You'll find that link below along with all the other links. Also, I am a health and wellness advocate and consultant. I'm not going to mention the company that I work for. I don't want this to be a big advertisement. I want to give you guys this good information, but the link is below. And so anyone who joins, we're going to have a special for anyone who joins from this audience. We're going to give you the first year's membership free, which is going to be a $35 savings, and we're going to offer you 25% off on all your purchases for the first year. So with the house cleaning out of the way, let's get into it. So just sit back, relax, and get this information, okay? So I always like to start off just explaining what essential oils are. And basically, they're highly concentrated plant extracts that capture the natural fragrance and beneficial properties of plants. And people use them for various purposes. I've made videos from cleaning to athletes, to kids, babies, what have you. People use them for various purposes. And so, but before you start using them around your pets, there's something important you need to know. And that is essential oils have powerful properties that can be helpful for us humans, but pets, especially cats and dogs and other smaller animals have a much more sensitive sense of smell and metabolism. And so that means that certain essential oils can be toxic or cause irritation when used improperly. As a quick example, tea tree oil, peppermint, eucalyptus, and citrus are often harmful to pets and can cause symptoms like drooling, vomiting, or even more serious health issues. So we're going to break down which oils are safe to use around your pets and keep everyone safe and healthy. So can you use essential oils around your pets safely? Basically, the answer is yes, but with caution and only specific oils, okay? Because some essential oils are known to be safe for pets when used properly. Just for an example, like lavender and chamomile and frankincense, those oils can be soothing for and calming for both dogs and cats. And these oils are generally, these particular oils, lavender, chamomile, and frankincense, they're generally considered safe when diluted properly and used in small amounts. So Just remember to always check with your vet. We always preach safety here. Check with your vet first before introducing anything new into your pet's routine. Okay, so we've talked about the essential oils that we like that are safe for pets, but we gotta understand how to use them safely around pets. We always want to stress safety. Dilution is key, okay? Dilution is key, and you never want to apply undiluted essential oils directly to your pet's skin, okay? You always want to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, what have you. And usually a safe rule of thumb is 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil, okay? That's important. Always dilute your essential oils when putting it on your pet's skin. Probably one of the more safer ways to use essential oils around your pets is to diffuse them. So if you want to just create a calming atmosphere in your home for you and your pets, just use a diffuser. But make sure to give your pet the option to leave the room if they don't like the scent, okay? And avoid diffusing oils for extended periods of time. You want to also avoid applying essential oils to sensitive areas. So never, just like with humans, never put oil around your pet's nose, eyes, and genital areas because they're highly sensitive and they can cause irritation or burning. Now, you always want to make sure that you monitor your pet. So if you're trying an essential oil for the first time, start slowly. A drop here and there and observe how your pet reacts. And if they show signs of discomfort, remove them from the area and stop using that particular oil. And never use oils on small pets, like rabbits and guinea pigs and birds, and because they're even more sensitive to essential oils, and it's safer to avoid using essential oils around them altogether, okay? Now, when used correctly, okay, essential oils can have some real benefits for your pets. They can help them calm anxiety, improve their mood, even repel insects. For example, a drop of lavender oil can ease your dog's stress during like a thunderstorm or fireworks, something like that. And even oils like cedar wood can be great for soothing irritated skin or repelling ticks and fleas, okay? However, these oils should only be used as part of a holistic approach to care. Now, we've already mentioned some oils that are safe for your pets. We're going to talk about some oils that you should avoid, okay? Because there's some oils out there that are very dangerous to pets. And number one is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is extremely toxic to dogs, cats, and even in small amounts. So scratch tea tree oil. Peppermint oil, same thing, can cause respiratory issues and stomach upsets in pets. Great for humans, bad for pets. Citrus oils like lemon, orange, lime, they can cause digestive issues, liver damage, and even nervous depression in pets. So we've covered in this short video essential oils that are pet safe. Your lavender, chamomile, and frankincense are great for your pets. Tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and your citrus oils are a no-go, okay? Because like I said earlier, they can cause digestive problems, liver damage, and even nervous system problems, and depression in pets. Okay. One other oil to avoid is eucalyptus oil. Okay, because this can actually add to some drooling and vomiting or difficulty breathing. So you always want to avoid those particular oils. But most importantly, just always keep essential oils out of the reach of your pets. And if you suspect your pet has ingested or had a reaction to an oil, guess what? Contact your vet immediately, okay? I don't want to be responsible for any sick pets, okay? So I love my pets, especially my dogs. I love my dogs, and I've used, just say lavender. I've used lavender quite a bit. I'm always talking about lavender. Look at my shirt, whatnot. I always talk about lavender because lavender, what I used to do is I would fill up a small spray bottle, put a couple of drops of lavender oil in them, and spray my dog, and just rub it. I wouldn't put it anywhere near his face or anything like that. Just spray them and just rub them down. And guess what? Those flies and ticks and whatever, they don't go near my pets, my dog. Okay, so I've used some of these combinations in real life on my pets, so I know what works and what doesn't work. But what we'll do, and you'll see the link in the bottom, in the description and pinned, we will provide you guys with a free ebook on some different recipes and how to be safe with essential oils around your pets. That's free, just as a show of gratitude. So check out the link below. Make sure that you get that information. Check out my website. You'll see all the beautiful things that we're doing with essential oils, and want you guys to be a part of that. As I stated earlier, we're running a special promotion where we are going to eliminate the first year to our membership club for essential oils, and you'll get 25% off on all of your orders. Okay. So to wrap it up quickly here, essential oils, they can be beneficial for your pets when used correctly, but always prioritize safety and consult your vet before introducing any new products, and always dilute the oils appropriately. And if you've enjoyed today's video and have learned something new, please give a thumbs up and share with your fellow pet owners. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and future videos on keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. So thanks for watching, and take care of your pets. Have a good day.